Hi, I'm Aruz. How have you been? This is a break video for learners, dedicated learners just like you. In a previous video, I said I decided to make the progress table for hiragana. Now I have done it. I had guessed your problems like below. Now I will show you how to use the table. This is a Google spreadsheet. You can see two sheets. First is overview, second is progress. In overview, you can your progress of as the overview, pie chart, as a total, and in detail, level 1 read, level 1 write, and practice with the song, and hiragana level 2 example word, okay? And the second sheet with progress table, you can see three tables. The left hand is hiragana, read, and write. Read is you can choose like this. There are three options: completed, in process, or master. Okay, and you can see the link like this. You hover it and push, and you go to playlist or read hiragana yeah, 5 letters. Okay, back to it. And there are so many words. Some playlists know these. For example, choose this. You can hover it and you can push link back. No videos. Yeah. I made it playlist in advance, but I had not made all videos. I will make as can I possible. Okay. And next table is practicing song. Like this. Status is also same. No started, in process, or completed. Yeah. And the playlist link. And hiragana level 2 example word, and this playing status, not status, in process, and completed. You can choose the status, one of it, then one of them, yeah. And back to this right. Now for using this, you give me some new information. Now all you have to do is access the QR code or this URL and answering some question and give it to some new information. And you can see also the URL, the description box below. And okay, now thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.